Welcome to the Iberostar Playa Mita. And this resort is not using plastic cups. They are environmentally conscientious. I love it. No plastic bottles.
Service 24 hours included. Usually at the basic selection, at the regular Iberostar, we only have 12 hours of room service. Here we have also Wi-Fi included in the home property. We have a cafeteria that opens 24 hours with coffee, daily food, teas, all kind of daily food 24 hours. We have a disco and a theater, so we're gonna go around. In total, at the hotel we have 452 rooms divided on 6 categories. We have the standard room, tropical views, standard ocean view rooms, junior suite Oceanfront.
So you no longer have to wait in line for anything. You download the app and check on your phone and do your bookings. This is brilliant. And this is a cigar bar where you can enjoy a cigar and a cocktail. This is called Star Cafe, and you can come in and have a cup of coffee. Of course, I'm heading right to the cookies. My favorite, teas, and a selection of tidbits. Very eclair, some sliders. Very nice. This is the lounge for Star Prestige, so a private lounge that you can use when you book an upgraded room. Good selection of premium alcohol. Grey Goose, Belvedere, J&B, Chivas, and cheeses and buns. Great selection of wine. This is beautiful. So when booking with me, make sure you book the Star service.
It's like Boy Scouts. So they have different activities starting at 10:30 up to 4:30. Then they have a rest, and if the parents prefer, they can take the kids back at 6:30 in the afternoon to 10:30. So they have like mini disco, karaoke night, different activities. But for shows, we only have on Tuesday and Thursday. It's gonna be also sport bar. It's almost done. So it's gonna be a sport bar from 4 in the afternoon to 11 at night, and then from 11 at night to 3
What do you mean sport bar?
we're gonna have cards.
Oh, really? 89 US.
Yeah.
89 US for the golf course.
No, the rentals is
And it includes the
$45.
And is it a regular full 18-hole course?
Yeah, it's a regular 18. It's a Greek Norman, the white shark.
Okay.
It's a good golf course.
Just because that's just the way it happens.
Hola.
How are you?
Excelente.
Would you like something to drink?
This is a junior suite, Oceanfront.
Yeah, this is Oceanfront.
King size bed, and here's controls for the air conditioning. And are there outlets for your devices to plug them in?
Yeah, now we have
Oh, here's
the straight
USB
entrance.
ports.
That's a humidity machine. We have it right now for the humidity of the rooms.
So it lessens the humidity?
Yeah, it takes. You can smell a little bit the humidity. That machine helps to avoid that smell.
And this is the junior suite Oceanfront. So you can have your coffee, a glass of wine, and this is your beautiful view. So if you are booking this resort with me, this is a room category that I highly recommend. And when you are seated, you can actually see. How wonderful. Long walks on the beach. There's bar service on the beach as well. This is the coffee station. And the mini fridge with Coke, Sprite, beer, water, and juice. This is lovely with an overhead fan.
Because you haven't had lunch, so you need more
Full length beer.
All the rooms
Shower.
are the same. Difference is view and location. The junior suite is a little bit larger, like a meter and a half.
Sandwiches and fresh fruit. So you can come here and have something to eat, and you don't have to worry about even putting your bathing suit cover up on. What's that?
Red Sky, michelada with lamb juice.
Ah. Two pina coladas.
Dos piña coladas. Okidoki.
And no plastic straws and plastic bottles. I applaud Iberostar. Now what are you making?
Piña colada.
Ah, pina colada.
Special. More rum?
Yeah.
More rum is good. 60.
Thank you.
Next. Señorita.
Mojito.
Mojito. Lobo. No, agua, pero.
This could be one of the prettiest areas for weddings, with the ocean as the backdrop. It's tiered, so my guess is easily 60 people or more could sit here. This is romance. And isn't this what weddings are all about? And I've been told this couple is having their cocktail party and reception over there. This can be used for wedding receptions. How beautiful is this? Talk about oceanfront.
Tonight on the Rock Show at Theater. Por favor, para todos ustedes, for all of you, ellos son, they are the Star Band.